In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your cursor in Windows 11. So to go and set yourself a custom mouse cursor, then what we need to do is first come over to the Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand navigation, search for the word Mouse and hit Enter. Then click on Mouse Settings, scroll down to Related Settings and click on Additional Mouse Settings. Then from here, we need to click on Pointers in the top navigation, click on Normal Select, and then click on Browse. Now to go and change your mouse cursor, you can go and choose from any of these free ones already installed on your computer. If you want to change this to a custom cursor, then what we can do is just open up an internet browser and type in free mouse cursors, hit enter. Now there's a bunch of different websites you can use to go and download free mouse cursors. The one that I like to use is this cursors-foryou.com. Then just go and select the cursor that you want to go and download. So for example, let's say I wanted to use this guy's face here. Click on the download button, and once it's downloaded, it should appear in your downloads folder. And now all we simply need to do is come back over to mouse properties, click on browse, locate your downloads folder in this top navigation, and right at the top here you can see this is the mouse cursor that we just downloaded. Double click on it and then just press apply and OK, and just like that we have now changed our mouse cursor. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.